going to tell you about a trial bird's nest. Uh, the nest is in the cassava this route. Uh, After a while for looking for the net, I found it here. Hey, yeah. As you see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs in the net. The nest, this net is a type bird. It's called a dada bird. Dada, chim dada. The dada work in đa cake, bánh đa. Hey, here you see. This type bird don't make net on a tree. It's made on the ground. Hey, as you see, the size of an egg. It is half part. An chicken egg. I'm thinking, should I take the egg to home to boil or chiên, rán. I have never eaten it before. Why? The mother bird is outside. I'm watching trộm. Tôi xem trộm. I watch the egg at the children. Each children. Should I eat the dada egg with cơm quỷ dada, trứng chiên. Sure, will it be delicious? I think. Wait for it. I think I wanna see. I wanna see the mother birds. So I will. So I will take the egg to my home. I wanna see the mother bird. So when at the time I will cut the mother bird with the egg. So I will có cả một con chim có cả 5 quả trứng. I will have a bird and 5 egg for the meal instead of only 5 egg. So I will wait for the mother bird came back. So I cut all of the egg and the mother. Okay, this is a nest. This is a nest of a type bird. It's called dada birds. Tonight I will have a meal with. Okay.